The reason I put the original call into Sage was that the Marussia F1 team didn't really have an integrated system when I started at the company. Once we'd identified the need for an ERP system, we contacted Sage, had various demos of Sage ERP X3, and we then committed to it. And in committing, we set ourselves and indeed Sage a very aggressive timescale. I wanted the system up and running before we commenced the 2012 car build. So in the end, we set ourselves a deadline of 8 weeks from first scoping visit to a running system. I think that was pretty challenging for both parties, but we worked together with Sage UK. We had people from Sage on site throughout those 8 weeks, and by working together we achieved great things, and we hit the deadline and got Sage up and running on the first day that we said we would. We really did need an integrated system, and while there was I guess a small risk in my mind of something going wrong due to the aggressive timescale we set, in the end, I think all the decisions we made were fully validated. We've now got a system that gives us that visibility of parts that we need, all the way from release of design drawings through to parts on the car and invoices in the finance department. As part of the implementation process, one of the things we looked at was importing some existing data that we had in our spreadsheet and database systems, and the import functions within Sage ERP X3 allowed us to fairly quickly and accurately import that data. On day one, we imported over 5,000 product codes, part masters, and equally we imported, I think it was around 1,500 purchase order lines. To bring that up to date, in July 2012, we've now got over 17,000 product masters, and we're well over 19,000 purchase order lines. So to summarise the Sage ERP X3 and Marussia F1 team story, we identified the system, we implemented the system in 8 weeks, working together with Sage UK, and ever since that time we raise every order, control all the parts on Sage throughout their life cycle.